Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of the endocrine system? In today's video, we're exploring the incredible network of glands and the powerful hormones they produce. From the tiny pituitary gland to the mighty adrenal glands, we'll uncover how these tiny powerhouses control everything from growth and metabolism to mood and energy levels. Get ready for an exciting journey through the body's hormone highway. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest science adventures. Let's get started. Now let's proceed to the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland produces hormones that stimulate growth and controls the functions of other glands, and it is located at the base of the brain. And the hormones are oxytocin, growth hormones, prolactin, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, antidiuretic hormone, and thyroid stimulating hormone. Next is thyroid gland. It produces hormones that regulate body metabolism and storage of calcium in bones. It is located in front of the neck and below the voice box, and it has a thyroid hormone. The parathyroid gland produces parathormone that control the calcium levels in your body and normalizes bone growth. It is located in the neck. Next is the thymus produces a hormone called thymosin that enables the body to produce T cells before puberty, and it is located in front of the heart. Adrenal gland produces adrenaline and other hormones that affects metabolism, immune system, and blood pressure, stress reaction, and it is located on top of the kidney. Pancreas produces insulin and glucagon that regulate blood sugar levels, and it is located behind the stomach. Next is the reproductive glands. The first one is the testes, which is for the males, and it produces testosterone that control maturation of sperm and development of the secondary male sexual characteristics, and is located in the scrotum. The next one is the female reproductive gland, which produces estrogen, progesterone hormones, and that influence development of the secondary female sexual characteristics and maturation of the egg cells and ovulation. It is located in the pelvic area. Next is the pineal gland. It produces a melatonin hormone that regulates the biological clock in some animals, and it is located in the brain. Now, up next, we're diving into the amazing world of hormones and their role in the female and male reproductive systems. Get ready to learn how these powerful chemicals shape our lives.
Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, how hormones control reproduction in men and women. Understanding this can help you appreciate the incredible biological processes that ensure the continuation of our species. So, let's start with the basics. Reproduction is a normal process controlled by hormones. These tiny chemical messengers keep both the male and female reproductive systems functioning properly. At the heart of this control is the pituitary gland. This small but mighty gland regulates the functions of both the testes in men and the ovaries in women. Let's first explore the male reproductive system. The pituitary gland releases two key hormones, follicle-stimulating hormone or FSH and luteinizing hormone or LH. When FSH enters the testes, it stimulates the Sertoli cells. These cells play a crucial role in nourishing the sperm cells that the testes produce, facilitating the process of sperm production. Meanwhile, LH enters the testes and stimulates the Leydig cells. These cells are responsible for making and releasing testosterone into the testes and the blood. Testosterone is the powerhouse hormone that drives the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, like facial hair and a deeper voice. It also plays a vital role in stimulating sperm production. Now let's switch gears and talk about the female reproductive system. The ovaries produce estrogen, a hormone that controls the growth and release of eggs. Alongside estrogen, we have progesterone. This hormone prepares the uterus so that a fertilized egg can grow. Progesterone also prevents muscle contractions in the uterus that could cause the egg to detach. But that's not all. The hormone inhibin, produced by follicle cells, inhibits the production of FSH. FSH and LH work together to regulate estrogen and progesterone levels. This regulation is crucial for the development of follicles, maturation of the egg, and the process of ovulation. In summary, hormones are the unsung heroes of the reproductive systems in both men and women. They ensure everything runs smoothly, from sperm production to egg maturation and beyond. So next time you think about hormones, remember the incredible work they do behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fascinating...
Now let's proceed to the endocrine system disorder. Hormonal imbalance will occur if the organs and hormones of your body do not produce the right amount of chemicals needed, which in turn may lead to some dysfunctions. The following are some examples of endocrine disorders. The first one is osteoporosis. It is a disease that happens when the mineral density of the bone is reduced, making it brittle and porous. Parathyroid hormone secretion is one of the possible causes of this disease. Second is goiter. It is an abnormal enlargement of the thyroid gland. It results from the underproduction or overproduction of thyroid hormones. Next is gigantism. It is a disorder that happens during childhood when there is abnormal increase in height associated with too much secretion of growth hormones. Next is dwarfism. It is a condition wherein the production of growth hormones in the pituitary gland is insufficient, resulting in short stature. Now this is the end of our lesson for this module. Now let's proceed to the activities. Your first activity is complete the table below by listing the gland and hormone in its described scenario. Now write your answer in your notebook. Next is the following statements are about endocrine system. Identify what is being asked by filling in the gaps with letters to complete the word at the end of every sentence. And the next activity is in Google Form, and I will put the link on the description of this video. Now, great job! You are almost done with this module. Let us summarize what I've learned from the lesson activities. Use a separate sheet of paper and write your answer only. Okay, complete the statements below and choose your answer from the back. Now fill in the blanks. So the choices are body, endocrine, glands, hormones, and ovaries. So you have to answer it directly on your paper. And for the last part of this module is the assessment. I will put also the link on the description of this video, and you have to answer it and click submit so your score will be recorded. And that's it for today. Have a nice day, everyone, and God bless. Thank you for watching.